see that taillight. I'm gonna see if I can get it out. Brand new spanky Hyundai Sonata. First things first, open the trunk. Yay! Pin. I already started. How many are there? 1. Center comes out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See? One there. One there. 2 screws behind this trap door of a handle. This trap door, look, it even says pull. See that? Pull. This little guy, right in the center, unclips it, revealing 2 screws, which I already have sitting at the edge of my drill. So, with it being a carpet, you can just sort of pull it out. Okay, now you don't have to do it this way. There is a clip right here, and a clip, as you see, right there. So you can pull this guy out. Okay, now, the reason why I do it this way, because it's so much easier. And it's just a piece of carpet, you see? Getting it back, a little funky. I'll show you how to do it. But, there you go. Let's get this guy out. Let's see, 3 10 mils already. Let's see what we got going on. More 10 mils. More 10 mils. Let's see. Do not close the trunk, because everything is attached to it. You ain't going to be able to open it. So, plug, and a whole lot of 10 mils. Let's show you. A whole lot of them. A whole lot of them. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Right? Do I have that right? And 2 clips. This is what actually holds it to the body. Now what I did, from the inside, squeeze this guy and push up. You can probably get it with the thing, but you don't want to break these. You break them, you got 17 other more 10 mil bolts. And they all vary from this 2 on the outside, which are the ones actually you see on the wing, right here. And one right there. Alright, so these are the 2 black ones that you see. So, let's make sure our calculations are right. Let's see how many we got. Just to make sure you guys didn't lose any. 2, check. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15. Why did I count 17 over there? Am I crazy? Am I crazy? Yeah. I wouldn't doubt it. I mean, maybe I miscounted. Oh yeah, there would be 15. That's 17. Hello. So it is 17. Let's put it back on. Straight end result. Well, I just scratched the hell out of my phone. I didn't say that out loud, did I? Just showing you it's still there. It looks so nude. So, let's put it back. Inside look. See all the posts? Make sure you plug them in. Make sure you plug them in first. Capiche? Now let's put all the 10 mils back. Show you it's over with. Fine thread. Start them by hand first. Fine thread. Start them by hand first. Then when you get to these guys, just use this first. See? Maybe get an attachment. I'll show you what I'm doing. Can you see that? With an attachment, start it by hand, so it doesn't fall off. You see? Go all the way down the line. You got that one, that one, that one, that one, that one, that one, that one. Let's keep going. Don't forget to snug. Don't forget to. Don't miss one. Let's finish up. See? You don't have to put it on. Just finagling, just some weaseling. Just sort of tuck it back up under. Just get this. Come on. Just carpet. Damn it. See? You can do it. It's worth the fight rather than fighting with this piece of plastic. Just pull it back a bit. Okay, tuck up under. You see? Well, I did it with one hand. You can do it with two. Put the push-ins back in. Call it a day. So, like it, don't like it, share it, don't share it, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.